Iya. Sai maro kita. Kako e konga hono wani e tango programa I he taimini. Koko atu ko ia e whatongia me I he malai wa inga ko ia e ako anga, malai aka pulu e ako anga. O hanga atu be ki he whare mahaki ko ia e korisi pe ko kiriniki. Ne whaata ki whai hono ngā aki I he ahoni. I he rorotongani, oku rorotonga mea tu ai whawhalanglangi. He Serene, Highness, Perenisi, Kalaniuvalu, Fotofili, o mea tonu ki he programa. Bea mui atuai ai taki ko ia e kalapu Rotary, o miripoa ne Australia. David Goldsmith, bea behe ki he CEO ko ia. O e potongao e mo'ui Tongatapu siare aga ola bea behe ki he pure ako ko ia e he ako anga ka ko e sekretari lahia sia suesira na taon taina Tonga fai fikau arifreti atiola ko e tare kita ko ia o e ako I he Tupou Tertiary Institute, Tongatapu whaiwhakau Tongatapu Matea Kata. Pea mo haa whaiwhakau, ka e pehe ki he kau wakatutoko longo teki ai unga. Pea pehe ki he pure tufunga o e bloka construction, ka ko e whauwhaunga ia wharearea o Tongatapu ua ki te vita bloka. Ko e kautaha bloka construction e nau tufunga I ai kiriniki. Be mo ngai whawhao ne whahoko ki ai. Whanatau pe ki he whamatala ko ia ai taha ka whai ako. Ko e whanemahaki pe nia o e ako anga. Kana e whai hono to e langa whalelei. Pe mo hono whanau aki ai ngahi nau koe ni. Ai tokoni me he kalapu Rotary o miripoa ne Australia. Ai ako e programa ia utau kau whatahamo ia I he hauani. Whanatau ki he whatongia o hauani ko konga hono wani programa me programa ko taku mai. Ko e whai en hono wakai I ngā ue kua lava. E ai lewa pia mo e report ki he polonseki ngā ue ko te vita polo ka hangi ko ia ne whahoko atu. E ngahi whasi e whahoko mai pe he tau kau iwi mo e kau hiwa e korisi. Pea te pe mo ngahi programa ke he amui e toki tānaki mai ki he whatongia ko ia o e whiawhini pe toki kakako ai pe a e tau programa whamafola. Hange pe ko ia ne tau kau whatahamo ia I he programa me I he korisi ko insalo te ko e tau mua o e tokoni ko e ni ko e tokoni ia ki he taimi ku whaingata ia whakasino ai e tau whanau. Mei ka tāna ki to unga ka hi uhinga mama o e whanau me ako mo nau puaki puke ai ko e langa nifo u whanga e whatapu. Ko e puaki ai pe ko e lava atu ki e tāke fo I nifo. Ka ko ia. Hoko e ngāwe ko nike ne whasi isi ia I e uhinga ko ia mahalo e to ia hakalo whanga kehe ai whanau ki he nau mama o me ako kehe me tāke nifo he ko e ni. Ko os whanau nau e ngai kiriniki ia I he ngahi api ako ke toko ni he taimi unau whaingata iai ko insalote pepe ki ako ana api fo ou koe ni koe korisko Tupou e ni mo mea mai pe ki ai I he tau whamafola o e hoa ni he tau pesi I he Facebook Broadcom FM Broadcasting waru fitu poine nima FM.
Kau pure mau whanga, te vita toa. Na nau whai ako pehen, pia nau hungi tu au whai whikau. Ka koe kau whai ako tutuku ia. mau mata ito pe tuku ya ko kai ui ki na tolu e konferensi hoko ato e ngawe i sia si tu
Fare maka i fare paanga o sia se hake ai. Ko foi grupo ni tongani o na o forma po ko longo teki. Na fa bia mai ke ko si o fai ki fa kau ko ni ta nak. O ta forma lo.
le o tatau be mo ngahi to wa ko ke pulu tai loa pulu senturi pulu ko to be e pulu o tau fia e na ngau o fai o ngai pulu be ka pulu ko langa be o tau ilo io malo o seniare ko ni tu ko ni fiu ta finau ai fitu mo fulu Tupou o ako ia o na hoko e falalanga e pure anga fonua
o Tonga whauhanga i he tai nini o whaiwhekau tolo tā whisi i hoi o tui ko whaiwhekau tolo tā whisi i hoi te tene tataki ai konga honoa e tau pōra ma i he whiawhiti ko e whawharanglangi he Serene Highness Prenesi Kalaniuvalu Fotofili pe mui mai kia teia ai sekretari tahi siasi ka koe pore ako no Tonga e korisi whaiwhekau togeta rifireti a tiola ko ne mea mai mei he kiriniki pea mo e sick bay ai korisi ko Tupou tau whakaet pehe ngahi ata ko e kiriniki whafo ofa moni e ne whahoko hono ngawe i mono langa. Pure ngawe ki he langa mo proseki koe ni ko te vita puloka. Longo teki ai unga.
Ngawe matea ki au pito. Toke tā te vita, tuku ngai ni mea ki mai whai kau pure whainga tofoa, nā mau whare mere ke. Koe fu siana goni kono fu lahi bea ona ngori whakawa. Fu lahi bea ona e taimi ko e, ka mo mapatake koe angai la lahi ko risi e taimi ko e. Fu wiki o pita taimi nia. Koe matapure koni o ku lua le pas mai bea. Koe ilo bea me haha ke ki ni hawa te wika. E nere mau mai bea kau polisi o tuku mai whamalo mai puke tamai. O whiawhia e korisi ke tari ki mō tō, ko mō hoko e kau whaiwhikau. Tau whiawhia e he... O whai o toa, o whai whalala, i tō wako koen, hoko e ki prose koen, whakalanga mai e tau ngāwe. E taini koe ni, tau tari e ke tau hoko atu ki e konga honoa, ko e...
Kau iei bea maraki ukei au taklele atu e whamafola, kei ngata behe taun e tio. Wal fit point ni mai whai maa kei bea whuke taun bēsi koe e Facebook a Broadcom FM Broadcasting.
Koe whakafonga Tongatapu ulu aki, ona bol TV ta puloka, tau fia I whalala gia e wahenga Tongatapu. O Tongatapu katoa whiria ke ne hoko I whawhonga I korisko Tupou. I ni iho ki nau tolu tohe pureanga ko te vita puloka. Ko Patalonia, o kulupu koine e longa te ki. Mo pasipasi mai ki kako ni. O siona foha peni. O ku mesi whai ai ngāwe koini. O te vita. Koine tangata e ki na e Tongatapu re. I e fitungo fulu tupu I tongani e whalmaha ki vai ola. Pia na e hoko e pia te vita e taimi koe o si Tongatapu moi e ne ki form 2. Huma e pia te vita e whalala ki e kau ngāwe. Ke ne hoko koe nesi I e korisko Tupou o au pe ke ne nofo o ku kei pure nesi. Koe uhinga ia o ku ngāwe ofa a te vita o toko ni mai ai fu ofa lahi koe te whok mei hono foha mātani. O whae ki ngāwe koe ni mai korisko Tupou. Malo maha koe lava mai e ahi. Pe mei he kliniki ka tau hoko atu ki he konga honoa e tau polo kalama. Ko he nau koski whawhiloa ki atu pe Honorable David Puloka, ko he whawhonga whikauloa ki wahenga Tongatapu, pe koe nes pure e wharemaha ki koe ni I taimia koe. Pea koe hoko ata e polo kalama tau angamoa e ki whainga maari e koe ni ki Honorable David Puloka ke ne whaiha ki lea whikau mo e whatungia ngāwe koe ni. O pasipasi mai ke te rita.
Tapu mo e tamabinis His Serene Prince Kalaniuvalu Fotofili. Your Excellencies from the Australian and the New Zealand High Commissioners, Dr. Siare Akawola from Ministry of Health, representative of international agencies, and also Dr. Peter Goldsmith and his team, principal staff, clergy, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Tafatafehi Puloka, and I was the superintendent nurse of this hospital in 1978 and 79. I'm fortunate that what I had been told that I'll, for this speech, to a word of thanks from the Longateki Brotherhood, Longateki Aiunga. When I arrived here this afternoon, and the principal said, no, you're gonna want to do the project, the report of the project. Unfortunate, Dr. David Goldsmith, I can't do that. And the reason because there's conflict of interest. Because I'm the owner of the construction company who did this project. Like what you said, what is important here is not the building, but what's inside the building. And I thought that Dr. Amanaki Havea, Dr. Amanaki Whakakowi Kaitau, who is a prominent member of the Longateki Brotherhood, the main reasons why we did this project. We never planned that, just because of him. So we are here and we are proud as a Longateki Brotherhood, Longateki Aiunga Brotherhood, regarding as one of our members, Dr. Amanaki, and we're proud of him with his achievement, with his fellow, and together with these projects, our members, we are very, very happy, and more like it's something that we are very proud of. Na ku teu mai au whakamalo to kua. Kai tala mai ke whai e ripoti ngā ue. O kai ke ulawe ia e au pe koe whiha, ai whakamore he ngā ue koe ni. Na ia e motua ngā hisariote, a malu pō, pia nai alu atu he area ke ngā hisariote mo yongo, mātua ha na ua. Ko ne hu atu koe ke he api o Tokoto, hu whanga he whakatapu, tamsi Kalaniuvalu, o Tokoto fu sinamanu o ku lau hi fōk uhi e walu he ko si ala tunu. Pia ko ne hu atu pe ki whare ko teu mai, he fine eiki, pia mue tangata eiki haana sariote, ko eke he tangata eiki haana sariote ke tufunga. Ke whakafuafua e aho i fiha hono ngā he sariote. Te ke ose whehu i ku pehate tufunga. Aho e walu. Kono ui ngaha koe ospei ai whaanganga. Mei peheni e ngā ue koe ni. O kai ke ulawe i e au, koe ha ai whakamore, katoa ki he ngā ue koe ni. Mea peo ko ulawe i na e totongi mai he longo te ki he kautaha Buloka Construction. Ai paanga e fitu mano koa. Pe hange koe mea koe ni na e mea aki e David Goldsmith i whare lotu. Ki he vela koe ai whare. David, I heard you that you talk about that the main building has been burned with the fire. I'm still suspicious for that event, and it's still under investigation. Or they did it in purpose. So we're going to renew the whole building, everything. But I am glad that Matani Buloka and the Golden Blue, or how they call their ex-student, and together with the Buloka construction workers, with their tireless efforts and make this happen, and as we all see in it today. O koutui, takatai ki pure ako, pe hange pe koe whakakaukau e longa teki ai unga, koe tae mamohi. Pe au mau kei pe he pe moe kau me mi pa longa teki, o ku mau kei tae mamohi pe mau ngau e whakalongolongo, ke whai hau pui. Ko mau tāpua ki ia, pe ko mau whekau ia. Pe ko whia, ai whakahātu, koe ngā ue ko whakahoko, ko lawa ia. Koe toi ngā ue, o tuku pe, kia mutulongo, ukai ki toi kā uai, pe moe mohano toi whakaosi osi hamea, o whia mau ke osi. Lewe ai malanga.
Tau whamaloka tau pehe lava e. O i rea whawhongat me longa te ki, ka tau tau te whitu ki konga koe ni ngā ue, mon pe e mea ai whawhonga, ko e whatungia e ia ku o ngā ue whakalongolongo mea longa te ki. Ko e nau mea wa peke pūrea ko, pa nau sio we peke o mea ngā ue whakalongolongo atu. O tau whiawhia he rea kone whai, whawhtai ki ho tua. Ko tai mini te tau hoko atu rewa ki tau tolu ki whanki entertainment, e whai atu e kauiwhi. Kau e pe ki tala vauhen ki ne whakahoko atu ai historia o i whi pia moe uhinga pia tau hoko atu ai. Mahalo.
Toloa to Tama Business, Kalaniuvalu. My name is Mama, and I'll be your host for this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, our entertainment this afternoon will be brought to you by Reverend Elon New and the Tupou College Jazz Band. This jazz band is the only and the best jazz band here in the Kingdom of Tonga. Our first item is called Funky Town by Steve Greenberg, featuring Jacob Maka as our alto saxophone. This song, Funky Town, is dedicated to the Ministry of Health, Honorable Minister, CEO, doctors, nurses, and Viola staff. It is also dedicated to all the patients out there at Viola. Funky Town by Steve Greenberg. Please give a round of applause.
Ko e Funky Town whakaatua he tanga o proa mai hawani.
That was our first item for today. Our second item is What a Wonderful World by Bob Thiel and George David Ways, featuring Siosifa Mansella as our vocal soloist. This song is dedicated to the dental department, Dr. Amanak Whakakovi, Dr. Fusfifita, Sueriu Homanu and staff, and delegations from Rotary Australia. What a wonderful world to all wonderful people. Thank you very much. Our third item for today is Final Countdown by Joey Tempest, featuring Eloni Prescott playing the tenor saxophone. This song is dedicated to the Longateki Old Boys, the Blue Gola Old Boys, and also to Matan Puloka and the Puloka Construction Company. Final Countdown by Joey Tempest. Malo. Our fourth item for today is called Can't Help Falling in Love by George David Weiss, featuring Matialona Poahau, our vocal soloist, and Korifunaki, our frugal soloist. This is a special dedication to the representatives from Queen Charlotte College and Tupou High School. And to all the girls who are listening to us from home, this is for you. Can't help falling in love with you. Thank you. Our fifth item is a special item called Lead on Me by Bill Withers, featuring Simon Manu, our tenor saxophone, David Jr. William Manu, alto saxophone, Simote Taunaholo, our trumpet, Elone Prescott, tenor saxophone, Adnaisa Tongatapu, trombone, and Daniel Dale, trumpet. I'd like to ask David Manu to please stand up. David Manu is the son of Sueli Manu, engineer from the dental department. He is named after Dr. David Goldsmith. So there's not only a David Goldsmith in Australia, but we have a David Goldsmith in Toloa. So this special song is dedicated to Dr. David Goldsmith and his Rotary team, John MacDonald, David Dippy, Peter and Mary Cobb, Damien Knight, and Lopet Lanuvia. Lean on Me by Bill Withers. Thank you. sixth item for today is called Happy by Pharrell Williams. This song is dedicated to all those who may be visiting Toloa for the very first time. And we see that there's some chairs and some tents moving. If you want to dance or you're too excited, the dance floor is free. It's spacious and it's open for anyone and welcome to anyone. Thank you very much. After Adam, I think everybody will be happy from our lovely item from the jazz band. Our 7th item is This Is Me by Benji Basic and Justin Paul, featuring Sinilau Sailosi, our vocal soloist. This is dedicated to our guest of honor, Prince Kalaniuvalu Fotofili, and former ex-student Deodao Hamid. This Is Me is a song to show that this is how we see us at the Ball College. We may not be special, we may not be gifted, but we are not ashamed of who we are. We make no apologies to who we are, and we thank God for making us and for making each and every one of us. This is me. Thank you very much.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they said, 'cause we don't want your broken heart. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they said, no one love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to this. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the stars wanna get me down, I'm gonna stand up, I'm gonna jump him out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I go. Little mountain knows the speed I grow. I'm not scared to be seen. I'll make no apologies. This is me. Another round of bullet in my skin. We're far away. Today I won't let them chase me. We are fighting through the barricade and reaching for the sun. Yeah, that's how we become. I won't let them break me down to this. I know that there's a place for us, but we are glorious. When the shots work, when they got me down, I'm gonna stand up proud and jump him out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I am. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I go. And I'm hunting runs the beat I flow. I'm not scared to be seen. I'll make no apologies. This is me. This is me. When the sharps run, when they get me down, I'm gonna stand up and jump him out. This is free, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. 'Cause here I go. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I go. And I'm this is me.
For our last item is a song called Tupou. This is an a cappella song and will be featuring the Music Academy a cappella. This is a farewell song. Farewell to you all in appreciation. This farewell is only farewell for now. Tupou College is always open to visitors and to anyone. For those in Australia, you're always welcome here at Tupou College. Tupou College is always open, and it is always our privilege to welcome you all. This is farewell to you all, appreciation and love from all of us of Tupou College. Malo pito.
Te ai whakahoa
Katak mo, katak yo to pas mai. Whakamalo ko be ki chess pen ko mai tare kita ka wifi. Entertain kita o tolu whikawak pe mo ki ngāo e koe ko fotu e longa te ki e whiawhine. Tape mo e a whio tua mafi. Whatapu ke tata eksikeri tai lahe siasi koe purea ko lolo Tonga ko lisko Tupou. Whatapu ke whakalangi e ahon e ki no pere tofi a. Prince Kalaniuvalu. Ne mea he ne whiawhine. Ko hi ke whakahonga. O mea tonu ki he ngāo ko lava. Whakatapu fo ki he kau tangata ik whaifkau ko tō pe mea mai. Wi he ne whaifkau pūre vai whonua. Whaifkau David au whahulu. Pe ke kau whaifkau e longo teki. David a whatahatoa kau ma mori whakawā mo ki nau tōru. Ku whafonga mai e longo teki ki he ngāo ngā koen. Whakatapu at ke CEO. Sia le kauola, kau ma toke tā manaki. Toke tā fusi whiwhita. Kau ma hau mo kau ngāu e pe me he whare mā ki vai o la, whikawak pe mo e nifo. O ki mo tolu ko toa pe kau a ahe, pure ako kolis konsalo te, tupo hai, pe mo titi ai, mo tolu mo mea heni. Tu mai whakamāri e koni ke whawhawhonga atu, ai whakamālo lahi koeni, pe me he kolis ko Tupou. Pe pefo ki he kulupu koeni tahiwa, fitua ke tahiwa walwha. O nau mea heni ke whakailonga ai ki proseki koeni. O e kliniki nifo i he korisko Tupou. Pe whak whatapu ki hakalolo Tonga. Me whakamāri e koeni ke whai ki whakamālo pe ka hiri ko ia ko kore ke kau whewhine ke whaki ki mea ofa ke mea atu pe mo e kau papalangi tau heni. My respect to David Goldsmith, team leader from Australia. You fight back from Maloko ni David Goldsmith, the dentist and team leader. John McDonald, retired ICU nurse. David Tupou is a Rotary donation in kind. Peter and Mary Gobb, dental equipment specialist, and Teme Knight, optometrist, or pea mo lopeti lani via. Ko e whawhonga e longa te ki Tonga pe me kautaha koeni. O e Rotary pe me Australia. I would like to say a little thank you very much on behalf of the principal and Tupou College. Yes, we are a team, a part of the Longoteki, and we are here and the deputy principal, Reverend Sabi Fonua, and Simon Tapaango to represent the whole student between 1972 to 1974. I would like to represent the whole teammate for your kind donation that you showing us this afternoon. It will be very unforgettable event, and it is a milestone for the school to have the first dental clinic here at Tupou College. Your name, Rotary, are known very well in the world, and today Tupou College, maybe third or second time, we have received a donation and offer from you. Our main dining hall right at the back there, the first time when we arrived here in 1977, the first dining hall built by Rotary. And today we see you again. You care our health conditions. And as you said, that your second step will depend on how we manage and maintenance and use wisely this dental clinic from now on. We don't have enough words to say to the great donation you have given to the college today, but God knows your journey and your main purposes around on earth in the world to donate without paying. As we understand, Lopeti has told me a lot of story, and he told me to give him a wish list. And I said, no, God knows my heart. He knows what I'm talking about, and he will tell you what Tupou College want. So today, we will never forget you, David, and your followers, your team. We are very great to have Dr. Amanaki. He is a first dentist. He was the captain or tax of Tupou College in 1978, and he became a doctor, now supported by Fotofili, and we hope they will look after the school. Our latest mate is Aleki. Aleki, could you please stand up? Pas me mo Aleki. Si how be Aleki o kai haas me ngai mo nga. Took my hand, and we thank you very much. I understand that you are leaving Tonga tomorrow. We will never forget. Could you please send our love to your wife and the whole Rotary Club groups? The Tupou College will never forget the love you sent. May God bless you. O whafonga de whakamalo ke whakalange ani. No bere mau tofia, malo bit o laumari lelei ke mea mai. O tari e kore koe ni ki whakalangi a mua ai ki whenga koe nei whai e kato waka longo teki. Yung mau ofala hati o te koe. Mau nof pehe korisi o tari whakaongongat pehe whatongia. Ko hi koe tofia koe ko ke whakakoloa ke siasi o lawe monua e kahea. Ko mau tala monua ke te koe, ma lo pito. E mea mai a honi, whakakato e whatongia koe ni. Ko atfo ke whakamalola ke te koe tokta siare. A kau ola. Kau maa toke ta amanaki. Whakau kovi kai tau, ka pehe ke tokta Fotofili. Moho mo kau ngā ue. O mo loto lelei ke tuku ho mo taimi. A mo mea mai o wakai ki ho mau whare. Ko lawe mea koe toke ta kunsalo te hendi. Ka mo tui pe o mo te mo riake ki mau tolu. Ko iloi pe te mo whoki mo tolu ki kunsalo te o langa hake. Ko ki langa vai koe ni whai amanaki. Ko tau tui pe ta tolu e fia pe. Ai korisitu tuku longa teki. O mo tauhi mai e mau ngāwe CEO. Ko tala monu ati ke te koe. Pea mo e kau ngāwe kotoa pe. Ko e Dr. Tevita. Te mau lai whuka Tevita. Honorable Tevita Puloka. Ko e toke tā pe iaga mau tolu. Toke tā he mea kotoa pe. Toke tā he langa. Toke tā he paanga. Toke tā he mo ui. Pea ku mau fia pito he mea mai he whewhini. Ko ne o hake ki mau tolu. Mea mai ai o whai e tokoni koin. Pea mono whohana i he ni pe. Pea fia e pure ako. I ho mo wala mai. Whoki mai o whai e tokoni ki he tamai. Kai koe korisko Tupou. Whakamalo lahi at matani. Malo pito i ho tokoni lahi. I ho kau ngāwe kotoa pe. Au lele po uri. Ke whakakato ai ngāwe koe ni hono taimi. Neongo ai ki whakatamaki nai hoko. Karuki kai ke holo mui ai e unga. Ia e kakape unga. Kaure pe ua ki o lunga. Neongo e whaingata a. Kai kaka pe o au. Whakamalo atu lo pete laini via. O mui mai. Ke mea mai pe o sio ke he tūkūga o maui ai. Pako tui pe te ke whoki koe mo u tā lahi au pito e korisi. O atu. Mahau pe o ha pese. Matano pe molo pet oes da sisi he pese te au o ngai whakamatala. Wishlist pese ni manoa. Pe ke whaita e ngai mea ko tō pe tuton ke nau sio ki ai. Whoki koe a ki aseria. Koe kulupu ako en, koe ako tupu aen, koe ako whakataru talu en. Si whaka ofa e whenga e tō ako. Mea ko mau tala monoat, malo si o mui whulau mai. Kau whonga tō be me muri, maari e pō mai whileo, ka maa e sa kātoa, mō tolu mō lava mai, kau whaiwhikau longa teki, kau ngāwe ko tō be. o whalaha te pure ako, mo a kololo Tonga, i ngau ko tau I kuna I ahon. Pehe ke mo tolu ko tau pe, whakamalo ke kau ngāwe, malo whai ki whatongia ahon, tau tuhi ko tau pe tāpua ki mai o tua, mea ko tau pe tau whaki, o nge koe whaki, ko tau mamata ke ai I ahoni. Pea ku o whalaha te korisi, ke mo tolu, ku mea mai mehe ope, I tongani, pea mo tōpure anga whoki, o ku ato mau tala monu, kia te ki mo tolu. Koe ki whainga maari koe ni mua, ko kore mua ki whakahoko I he kau whiwhine. Whine mui ngā ue ai korisi ko Tupou, ke mo mea mai o whakahoko mua ki mea o whakoin. To David Goldsmith, I would like to give you a little piece of a piece from Tupou College to take back with you to Australia. Remember, these are the plant from midst of Tupou College. There are little bits are there as they recall you what Tupou College it's about. I would like you to call one by one to receive our staff. Ladies, we give you a little gift, a token to take with you home. First is Dr. David Goldsmith. Would you please come forward to receive this? Pasi katoa mai. Koe pule tāki ni fōna mo e pule e kau whalau. Koe pasi mai David Goldsmith. Second is John McDonald. He's a retired ICU nurse. Pasi mai ke John. Malo. Third is David Tipi. He's a Rotary donation in kind. I think he's a very important person. Could you come to represent him? Hello. Next is Peter and Mary Cobb. Peter and Mary Cobb. They are dental equipment specialists. He's the one who established and put up all the chairs. Ke tā kendi fo kau longo teki. Nā kei whaka mea pe he kōhiri ka koni ku tau wao ki he sea uhila. Ki tau whiawhia ko tau pe mea mai e ensinia koe ni. The next is Damien Knight. Maybe pasi mai. The last one is Lopeti Lanivia. Kati mua Lopeti pasi mai Lopeti. Koe tamanuku alofa e nia, mo se munto ne toonga whanganuku alofa. Koe ne takatakai holo koe ni, koe ne us I lo e ngai mea. Koe tamasi hola mone ngai korisi e taini koe. Ka koe ne alu mehe ni, koe ke toha mea ne maratu I ke alu o whee ngai mai. Koe e ki mea ofa o ko atu, pau whonga take that piece with you, present it to the whole Rotary. It's a piece from Tupou College. I'm sure that there are some left. Katak mua e Pauline mo te mea mai. Tu e tau, whai more. Ko e o whuaki ainge. Katak mai, o tu he tau. Please, tu he tau come. Ko tu he tau nei korisko Tupou ia. Sio mai e whanau ko ni, nau mea lele bea tu he tau, hoko nau pere whoke o te mo tūlolo kia kau tau whia nau mea mai, honga le teki nau tolu, a piako na nau wako ai, whaftai ki hotua, I kai ngalo korisko Tupou. Whawhawhonga pia me Nusila, High Commissioner from New Zealand. Please receive this token and take this with you. We appreciate your time to come and visit us, especially this event. And the final one is represent from Australia. Anybody from Australia or New Zealand? Australia. Oh, I come from New Zealand, I think. Yeah. Pass please. There's one more left. Tau whiwhia ko tau bei hene Honourable David Puloka. Ka taki mua Honourable David. Kiti. Ko aiken. Tako David ai nia ka koe pule lahi e nia e longo te ki e nia. Langa mo ngai mea pehe. Mo sio ho lelei hek pia koe pule lahi e o e langa mo ngai mea ko tau. Siu fia longo te ki nau ilo. Ai tau toko taha ko e ni. Whawhitai mahalo koe lava ia. Tau toi mahalo koe taha. Kata koe whawhongan mi New Zealand. He kau longo te ki. Io, kata ki mea mai. Toi ki kupo taha. Kekea umoia ki New Zealand. Pasi ko toa mai. Pasi ko toa mai. Maria Bof. Mai whire o. Ke mea atu ki New Zealand tāno atu koe ngāan ko lava koe ngai taha ku teo. Tau whia ho mea mai. Mena teke atu koe he kau kosi tuku ki hao sio koe mea hoko atu. Mahalo pito hene. O whamanatu at pe, kau ahi, ka maa ki tau tolu. Tau lere pe foke he whonga ai COVID-19. Koe pe ki taritari e kau ngau e ka hiri pe ni mua. Mea atu pe hala koe tari pe kau whewhine. Koe nau ke tau lava whai whonga koe. Ke tau i no whohifo wha tala noa. Ka koe aule taimi. Tau ngau pe whonga koe ni oku whai e botu ngā mo ui. Kono whakatoa ko talo monu at mo e ofalahi au pito. Koe tau lotu. Ke tau kore ke whahiwa. Ke tau toi hiwa pe mua. E whakamalo pe ke hotua, ngau e lahi mo e whatongi au ko tau i kuna e honi. Whange au no noa, o kātaki peo mea i lalo, ka e whai beha tau lotu. Whawhitai atua ko lawa whatonge a honi. Mea hene sekretara siasi ko e whatonge ma mawhakoen. E ko mau whaka te langi mai koloria ke a whiona. Mea hene whakalangi. Whawhitai mau pia siasi mo e korisi. Ko e tāpua ke o kunau ina siai. Mau lot peha monu mo tāpua ke mo ui mo kahau whia ma ana mo no whare. E kisi kau flau pe mea Serene. David Goldsmith and his team. Whamoe morea whiona kana hoka mea ta pongpong. Whawhiao ki nau tolu hao ke au motuta ke whamiri. I nau tolu ko tau pe ulawa mai mei mori, kau pure ako, kau tata ki whaiwhikau, kau ngau e CEO, me mapuni ngau e mo ui, mai ango toke tāni fō. Ko lawa e whatongia, au whia ko lotonga, pe au mau whawhitai ke a whiona. Au moi ko tau e whatonga ni a honi. We pray and ask this in Jesus' name, our Lord, our Savior. Amen. Kata ke o whai mai e whastua whonua. Malo tau whaia hip hip e tolu ki he whatongi ana. Hip hipi. Hip hipi. Hip hip. Malo pasi katoa ki ai. Malo pito mo nei fo.
Pea koe kakanto ia e whamafola o e hawani mei he korisi ko Tupou, Toloa. Tonga e whamafola ko ia e aho. Ka koe ngā oe kua lava i he whengau aki a e kautahalo tari mei meripoa ne Australia. Pea mo e korisi ko Tupou. Ni ai mo e toko ni mei he ngahi kup whekau aki pe korisi ko Tupou. Ko to wako longo te ki ai unga. Pea mo David Puloka mo e kautaha Puloka Construction. Ko e ngāwe ni ko pau pe ke fōuia i he potu ngāwe mo ui. E ko e toka ngā ki he nifo, kliniki ni o e nifo, pe mo e ngai puke ko ia e whanau i he korisi ko Tupou. Pea kei e whanawange ne au takirere atu a e whamawhula ko e whawhi whalanglangi o e programa ka ko e tama pirinisi, he Serene Highness, pirinisi Kalaniuvalu Fotofili. Pea ne taritale rei a he sekretai la he sesi ka ko e pure ako lolo Tonga e korisi whaiwheka atu e tā arifirete a tiola mo e ne kau ngā ue ki he nia ke korisi ko Tupou. Pea koe ngā ue kua kakanto ia e whatawange ne au takre rei atu. Programa ne tau kau whataha mei he wharelotu moritoni Molten Chapel i hono lotu i me tā puanki ko ia o ngā ue kua lava pea hoko mai he ni ki he mea ato e whalanglangi ko e timi ko ia ne tataki e toke tā David Goldsmith me he kautaha lo tāri a meripoa ne. Ko e tō wako longo te ki ai unga ko e CEO e mo ui toke tā siare kau ola. Mo ki nau tōko tō pe kau whaafe programa ke whai ha mea ki he ngā ue kua lava. Ka ko e heanga ia e tau kau whataha i whamafola e ahoni. Whatawanga pene au takrere atu e programa me he nia me he walfit poi ni mai whae maa. Ko e tau pesi e Facebook a Broadcom FM Broadcasting. Kau ngā ue aho risia te tāna tohi, whatawhehi whatarewa tui fua, pia behe ki Tupou rea. Aripate ki Sina, ko au kanoa taa. Mo mea whamaroi pe ki he sponsor ki a Richard Maireseni. Risia te Maireseni, mo e toko ni ko ia ki he tau reti o Malawa whamafola ai programa koe ni i he wau fitu poine ni ma e whae maa. Marau bitu mo mea mai, mo mea